Hello there. So we want to quickly look at how to create an account on CTRADER, then how to download and install the CTRADER app. We have multiple platform through which you can place trades. You can use your MT4, MT5, DX Trade, C Trader, Match Trader. So with Life Finance, we have the grace of creating an account under CTrader. If you are someone that do not like the use of MT4 or MT5, or probably trading on the Life Finance terminal itself, I mean on the Life Finance website. So you can as well create an account, a trading account on CTrader. So this is the process that I want to take us through now. Right from when you enter the Life Finance website, which is www.lifefinanceng.com. So because I have an account, I don't need to sign up. The next thing is for me to log in into my profile. So I have my account saved already, my password saved. So we can see that I'm inside my trading account now. So you will see your profile here. If you want to switch to demo, you can do that. So to open a CTrader account, you navigate straight to CTrader. We can see CTrader here. Instead of the MetaTrader, we'll click on the CTrader. So by the time you click on the CTrader, you're going to be seeing this page that is going to allow you to open an account and at the same time to download the CTrader app on your PC, on your laptop. So let's click on open accounts. So clicking on it now, it is asking me what is the leverage that I want to pick. If you're good with 1 to 200, I will select 1 to 100. Then what currency? It is USD. Then you can click on open trading accounts. So while we wait, the account is going to be open now. So we have the account open. So it is a live account. The next thing for you is to say, okay, you want to place a deposit into the account using probably the local deposit method or the cryptocurrency method. But this video is not about deposit. So going back to the CTrader, to that menu initially. So we have the account here. There's no money inside of it. So if you want to transfer, you can as well transfer into the account. You can, make some changes. Probably you want to change your leverage. Then you can also click on deposit. If you have money or made profit already, you can withdraw from it as well. So the next thing is for us to download a terminal. Okay, so I have a C trader account for demo, so I can as well switch to demo accounts so that I can just log in my demo account. Then we can place some things. So this is clicking on the C trader again. I've switched to my demo profile now. All right, so I have this account here. Now, clicking on the download terminal to straight up download the app for me. I don't need to go and search for CTrader via my browser. It's just for you to click on the download terminal. You're going to see that it is already downloading the CTrader file for you. So after downloading the file, you click on the file and then you follow the prompts to install. So we'll install that. My own is already installed, so it's just for me to head into my CTrader app and then log in the details that I have here. So let's do that. All right, so after installing the CTrader app, this is where we're going to be. It's going to now be requesting for your details to log in. So for me now, the mail that I use in creating my CTRADER account, my Life Finance account, and the CTRADER account. So that's the mail I'll put in here. Okay. Then I have a password. If you do not have a password created yet, it's the first time you are signing up, you are going to have to click create new password. Let me just use a wrong password first. So it's going to display reset password here. So this is what you have to click on. You reset your password. Then it's going to lead to your email. Then you follow the link to create a new password. So, but because I have my own created already, then I click on login. So this should sign me into my Life Finance demo account. And if it is a real account, a live account as well, is going to be signing as well. So that's just the process. It's just a very simple one. Create an account on your Life Finance profile, under your Life Finance profile. If it is a demo account, you create it under your demo profile. And if it is a real account, you create an account under your real profile as well. So then you download the terminal. After downloading the terminal, you open it like this, just like the way you download other applications on your device. So you just open and it's going to bring up the page for you to sign in. Then you can sign in with your details, just like mine. And you can see that I'm logged in. This is my Life Finance demo account. You can see everything is going to be displayed here. So if it's a live account as well, it is also going to be logged in. So every account that you create under CTRADER, they are going to be appearing here for you to log in. Okay, you can see the live account that I created. It is already here. So I can as well click on it and then it's going to sign me into that live account. So every single account that you are creating under that email that you have, the email that you use in opening a profile with Life Finance, every CTRADER account you are opening will be under that same mail. So you do not need to have to be changing the login details, putting in the password and everything. All the account that you create under that mail will be here. So it's just for you to now switch in between. Is it the live account or the live account 2, or is it you are switching to a demo account? So you just click on it and then you'll be signed in automatically. So that is the reason why your password will be created with your mail. Okay, so because you've not created a password before, that's why it's going to lead you to the forget password page and all that. So let me show us again. So for those that are just creating an account for the first time, when you enter your email like this, your Life Finance profile email, any password you put here is going to be telling you that is a wrong password. So let me just use any password. It's going to say it's a wrong password. So the next thing you need to do is to click on the reset password button. So clicking on the reset password button is now going to redirect you here to reset password. So put in the mail, click on the reset password. Okay. Do the prompt how you change password. So that's just what you need to do. Then that will be all.